Choosing a car is one of the most important decisions for any driver, as a reliable vehicle can simplify life, while a problematic one can become a constant burden. However, not all models are designed to last, and some vehicles have such recurring issues that they barely reach 50,000 miles without needing major repairs. In this list, we explore 7 of the least reliable cars, revealing why they might cost you more than they're worth and how specific faults can affect your driving experience. So let's get started. Let's start with a model that promises much in design and technology, but has proven not to meet durability standards: the Nissan Rogue. The Rogue has captured the attention of many families thanks to its attractive design and practical features, but unfortunately, it fails to meet long-term reliability expectations. While it initially promises a comfortable and efficient ride, recurrent mechanical and electrical issues make it a risky choice for those seeking a durable vehicle. One of the most notable problems with the Rogue is its CVT transmission, which has been a recurring issue in previous models and continues to be a significant concern. Many owners report severe failures in this essential component around 40,000 miles. These failures include overheating, difficulty shifting gears, and in some cases a complete transmission replacement, which can cost several $1,000s. This problem, combined with limited warranty, leaves drivers with unexpected and costly repairs. Beyond mechanical issues, the Nissan Rogue also faces criticism for its electrical system. Faulty sensors, warning lights that turn on without apparent reason, and infotainment system failures are common complaints. Some owners have reported these issues starting to appear after 40,000 miles, creating constant frustration and significantly reducing the driving experience. Another disappointing aspect is the quality of materials used inside the vehicle. Despite the design appearing attractive at first glance, owners have noticed premature wear on the seats, steering wheel, and door panels, which diminishes the perceived value of the car over time. This, combined with handling many describe as undynamic and noisy on the road, results in an unsatisfactory driving experience. Potential buyers should consider these factors before investing in the Rogue, especially if they plan to use it as a primary vehicle for many years. While it might be an attractive short-term option, frequent faults and high maintenance costs make it an unreliable choice for those seeking durability and peace of mind. Now, let's move to a luxury model that surprisingly suffers from similar performance issues: the Infiniti QX50. The QX50 is presented as a luxury option within the compact SUV segment, but behind its elegant exterior and advanced technological features lie significant problems that impact its performance and reliability. Although this model offers an innovative VC turbo engine, the reality is that this technology presents more disadvantages than benefits for owners. One of the main criticisms of the QX50 is the lack of durability of its engine. Despite being promoted as a revolutionary engine, owners have reported excessive wear on key components like pistons and valves before reaching 50,000 miles. This wear not only reduces engine efficiency, but also increases the risk of severe breakdowns, potentially leaving drivers facing unexpected and costly repairs. The transmission system has also been criticized, as gear shifts can be abrupt and unpredictable, especially in heavy traffic or during rapid acceleration. Moreover, many drivers have reported issues with the infotainment system, including unresponsive touchscreens and software updates that interrupt vehicle use. The problems don't end there. The Infiniti QX50 has been criticized for its limited interior space, particularly in the second row of seats, which is disappointing for a vehicle in this price range. Additionally, the quality of the interior assembly leaves much to be desired, with materials that wear out quickly and generate annoying noises during driving. Owners looking for a reliable and luxurious SUV should consider alternatives before opting for the QX50. Although its exterior design and technology might be appealing, the recurring issues with the engine, transmission, and electrical systems make it an unreliable option for those seeking a vehicle that lasts beyond 50,000 miles. Next up is a car criticized for its poorly executed robustness: the Ford Bronco Sport. The Bronco Sport, designed for off-road adventure lovers, promises an exciting experience, but in reality, many owners face significant problems that limit its utility and reliability. While visually appealing and equipped with modern features, mechanical and structural issues make it a disappointment for those expecting more from this SUV. One of the most common problems reported by owners is the premature failure of the suspension system. In a vehicle designed for rough terrains, it's unacceptable for shocks and other key components to show signs of wear before 35,000 miles. This not only affects the driving experience, but also calls into question the Bronco Sport's ability to handle off-road adventures. The powertrain has also come under criticism. Many drivers have reported issues with the engine and transmission, including overheating, loss of power, and difficulty shifting gears. These failures typically appear around 35,000 miles and can require costly repairs beyond regular maintenance expectations. Regarding interior quality, the Bronco Sport presents materials that, while initially seeming durable, wear out quickly with daily use. Owners have noted that the seats lose firmness and the interior panels produce constant noises, diminishing comfort and enjoyment during driving. Although the Bronco Sport has an attractive design and adventure focus, the recurring problems and high maintenance costs make it an unreliable option for drivers seeking a durable and versatile SUV. For those interested in a vehicle that can truly withstand the demands of off-road life, there are better options on the market. Now we move to a hybrid minivan that, despite its ecological potential, has caused frustration among owners: the Chrysler Pacifica plug-in hybrid. The Pacifica plug-in hybrid, which theoretically should be an advance in sustainable mobility, has significant criticisms due to its lack of reliability and the constant issues faced by its owners. Although its ability to operate in electric mode might seem attractive, the recurring costs and failures have made this model a risky bet. One of the main reported faults is the reliability of its hybrid battery. Many owners have experienced a notable decrease in battery capacity before reaching 35,000 miles, which significantly reduces electric range. In some cases, battery repairs or replacements have been extremely costly, leaving drivers with unexpected bills that can exceed $10,000. Another critical point is the hybrid transmission system. Often, users report that the switch between electric and gas modes is not smooth, affecting the vehicle's overall performance. This issue becomes particularly noticeable in cold climates, where the hybrid system seems to struggle to function properly. Regarding the interior, the Pacifica plug-in hybrid is not without issues either. Many owners have pointed out premature wear of seat materials and annoying noises from the dashboard. This starkly contrasts with its high price, which should guarantee a high-quality experience. While Chrysler has tried to position this model as an ecological option for modern families, the constant repairs and high maintenance costs make it an unreliable choice for those seeking a hybrid vehicle that truly offers long-term value. Let's continue with one of the more luxurious yet paradoxically less reliable SUVs, the Land Rover Range Rover. The Range Rover is a symbol of luxury and sophistication, but behind its premium design lie mechanical and electrical problems that make this SUV one of the least reliable options on the market. Despite its exorbitant price, many owners have faced significant failures well before reaching 50,000 miles. The most recurring problem relates to the air suspension system, an essential component in a vehicle designed to offer a smooth ride. Owners have reported multiple failures in this system, resulting in an uncomfortable ride and costly repairs that can exceed $5,000 per incident. Electronic systems are also a constant source of problems. Failing touchscreens, issues with parking sensors, and navigation systems that freeze are common complaints. These issues often require dealer interventions not always covered by warranty, leaving drivers with significant expenses. Furthermore, the Range Rover's fuel consumption remains a problem. Although light hybrid technology promised greater efficiency, many users have reported that real-world consumption is much higher than advertised, negatively affecting the total cost of ownership. Despite its appearance and performance, the Range Rover fails to meet reliability expectations that should come with an SUV of this caliber. For those seeking luxury and durability, it might be wiser to consider other market options. Next, we have a car that, while attractive, shares similar durability issues: the Jaguar F-Pace. Despite its sporty and attractive design, the F-Pace faces strong criticism due to its low reliability level. This luxury SUV, aiming to compete in an oversaturated market, does not stand out due to mechanical and electrical problems that appear much earlier than expected, generally around 40,000 miles. One of the most common problems is premature engine wear. Many owners have reported issues with the cooling system and fuel injector failures, which can lead to costly repairs or even a complete engine replacement. These issues not only affect performance but also generate frustration and unexpected expenses. The F-Pace's infotainment system has also been criticized. Owners have noted that touchscreens are prone to failure and Bluetooth connectivity is unstable. These faults, though seemingly minor, significantly impact the daily driving experience. The cost of maintenance is also a deterrent for many potential buyers. Replacement parts for the F-Pace are notoriously expensive, and limited availability can result in prolonged wait times for repairs. While the Jaguar F-Pace has an eye-catching design and offers dynamic driving, its reliability issues make it a risky choice for those seeking a luxury SUV that lasts beyond 40,000 miles. Finally, we come to a compact SUV that disappoints due to its limited reliability, the Volkswagen Taos. The Taos, marketed as an accessible and modern compact SUV, has faced significant criticism due to its unreliable performance and recurring mechanical issues. While initially presented as an attractive option for drivers looking for a balance between style and practicality, many owners' experiences paint a very different picture. One of the major problems with the Taos is the reliability of its transmission. Owners have reported failures in the automatic transmission around 30,000 to 50,000 miles, leading to costly repairs and unstable performance. This issue is particularly concerning for those needing a reliable vehicle for daily use or long trips. Additionally, the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, while theoretically efficient, has been subject to numerous complaints about overheating and power loss. Owners mention that even with regular maintenance, cooling system problems often appear before 40,000 miles, causing frustration and additional expenses. Another negative aspect of the Taos is its infotainment system. Many drivers have noted failures in Bluetooth connectivity, issues with the touchscreen, and slow software response. In a market where technology is key to user experience, these faults can be decisive in customer satisfaction. From an economic perspective, the maintenance cost of the Volkswagen Taos is significantly higher compared to other vehicles in its segment. Replacement parts, especially those related to transmission and engine systems, are costly and sometimes hard to find, which prolongs repair times. Despite its attractive design and competitive initial price, the Volkswagen Taos does not meet expectations in terms of reliability and durability. For those looking for a vehicle that can exceed 50,000 miles without major issues, this model might not be the best choice. So, these were the 7 least reliable cars that don't last more than 50,000 miles. Each of these cars has its initial charm, whether in design, technology, or promises of innovation, but they fail in the most essential aspect: durability. With mechanical problems emerging well before 50,000 miles, these models can become a constant expense for their owners. Before investing in a vehicle, it's crucial to evaluate not only the initial price, but also the long-term cost and experiences of other drivers. Ultimately, a car should be a tool to facilitate life, not a constant source of stress and repairs. If you're considering one of these models, reconsider your options and prioritize reliability to protect your time and money. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more content like this. And if you're still craving more, check out these 2 videos right here. See you in the next video.